Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Okta Verify. Alright, so first up, go and log into your Okta account. Now, once you're in here on your dashboard, just go to the top right and click on your profile. Okay, click on it and now go ahead over to settings. Wait for it to load. And once it loads under security methods, you will have your Okta Verify. Now, to reset it, just go ahead and click on the username right here. We have a remove, okay? Click on remove and then just hit on yes. Wait for the process to finish. As you can see here, it says enter code from Okta Verify app. You'll need to enter the code from, of course, your Okta Verify app, okay? 986765 in my case, so I'm going to go ahead and click on verify. Enter your password and hit on verify and just wait for it. And then once that's done, to complete the process, you can now then go ahead and set it up once more, like so. Okay? Then go ahead and enter your password, verify, and then just click on setup. Okay? Now it says here on your device, download the Okta Verify app, which in our case, we do have it already. Okay? Open the app and follow the instructions right here. So let's go ahead and open up the Okta Verify app. Now you will notice right here that it got this warning icon. Okay, when you tap on it, as you can see, you can just go ahead and tap on re-enroll. Okay, it says here your multi-factor authentication was reset for this device. To continue using Okta Verify on this device, just re-enroll this account. So just go ahead and tap on re-enroll right here. Okay, again, this one, we have the re-enroll button. Tap on it and just tap on sign in. Okay, a browser will pop up. So let's just go ahead and sign in with our Okta Verify account. Okay, just tap on verify, wait for it to sign you in. And then once done, as you can see here, it says account re-enrolled. And that is it. That's how you reset your Okta Verify. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.